3, 2, 1. And liftoff. Liftoff of SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket.
A group of Arkansas students reach for the stars tonight as their experiment is actually on its way on that rocket to the International Space Station.
Always fascinating to watch those launches. 7 Arkansas State University students have been working on grant research for the past 2 years before watching the SpaceX rocket launch tonight in Florida just a matter of hours ago.
Neil Zarang had a chance to speak to some of the students before this big moment. And Neil, I know you got the dirt on what they sent to space.
That's right. It's worms, specifically waxworm larvae, 32 of them, which could potentially pave the way for sustainable deep space travel.
None of us thought we would actually be doing space research, let alone as undergraduate students.
We were competing against really big schools, and so Little Arkansas State, we're super proud.
Space, a place many never expect to travel to, but that's the destination of an Arkansas State University project 2 years in the making. Claire Green, Dr. Maureen Nolan, and Hannah Seitz handpicked the wormonauts. But why waxworms? The biological science majors have the answer.
This larva has a microbiome in its gut that allows it to biodegrade plastic.
Starting as sophomores working remotely during a pandemic, now seniors with a tight bond, they teamed up with electrical engineers, mechanical engineers, and NASA to make this box.
We want to fit as much science as possible into a very small vessel.
It's only half the size of a loaf of bread, but inside it are cameras, microcomputers, and little habitats with plastic and food for the 21-day journey. So before being sent back home in about a month to analyze the data,
most of their life will be spent in space.
The research took a wormhole town to put together. Even elementary students pitched in. And if the worms degrade plastic in space as they do in Earth, it could mean a more sustainable future in Arkansas, but also wherever our dreams can take us.
The opportunities for that beyond are endless.
Liftoff of SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket.
As neat as it is to imagine worms living side by side with astronauts forever, that's not the end goal of this experiment. The waxworm is simply just the best hope for that plastic-eating bacterial community at the moment. Finding means to hosting it may have to be the next project for these young Arkansan scientists and engineers shooting for the stars. Niels Rang, back to you.